Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I'm doing a summer trends by Vogue and GQ. They have been released last week and I was really intrigued and inquisitive and I was reading the articles, and there are few things that I agree, few things I disagree. So let's talk about those specific articles in depth and what is summer fashion means to me, and how am I going to be participating in the trends per se, or how am I dressing this summer. Before we talk about the trends that they have released or they have discussed or launched that are going on the runways and the fashion weeks, let's see what's going on over the years, because it's really important to understand the history and what's been happening since so long. And because I feel a lot of these fashion trends which are going on since before are actually coming back, and it's coming for better. Personally, I really love the old fashion trends and the olden fashion tricks and trades. So the first main thing is wearing pastel colors. I've seen, if you see the brands, the history of brands, especially for Polo, Ralph Lauren, or boutique brands, they have had a history of pastel colors and the use of pastel colors in the collections, and that's really nice. Basic pastel colors that you can use or you can wear is baby blue or baby pink and sunshine yellow. They're also the colors that I really wear a lot. The second thing is the use of linen. Linen is, as a material, is quite breathable and is quite wearable. For summers, it's really nice fabric. You have seen over the years quite of a material you can wear. It's breathable, it's soft, it's also sustainable, it has natural fibers in it. And last, one of the main trends that are going on over the past years and might come back this year again is floral bold prints. So a lot of quad sets and mainly shirts, you see this floral bold prints going on. So yeah, I do feel that if styled really well, they do look quite classy and quite elegant. And yeah, so those are the basic three main trends I want to talk about before diving into the this year summer trends per se. So let's talk about the summer trends this year, which is by Vogue and GQ. So basically, there are two fashion organizations which analyze the runway models, what the designers are making, and launch trends for fashion in summers. If you don't know really, then there's an organization called Pantone which make color code for paints. They released a fashion trend for 2024, which I think it was a peachish color. So yeah, most pieces you're seeing are currently in the peach color, and that's the trendy thing as of now. Second, as I said, the use of prints are going to be coming back, not only in form of florals, but also in form of like animal prints, the cheetah prints, you have leopard print. However, I don't collide with this kind of style, and I'm not a person who will wear such bold prints. Even for floral prints, I'm not that kind of a person. If you notice, you want like really, if you're not kind of a person with bold prints, you can step into the smaller prints. I'll attach some pictures here and there. If prints are going to be coming back, I think embroidery can also come back, and embroidered t-shirts are really nice. I'm not sure if brands are making them currently. Yeah, I think you can, if you customize them, if you have the capacity to customize them. For example, this tee I can embroider it myself. I can get it customized, get a single embroidery piece here or anywhere else. So yeah, that's up to you. And yeah, I'm diverted a bit off the topic, but yeah. Now the third thing is vests and tank tops. Now this trend was seen a bit in last year also, but this year I think ripped vests and ripped tank tops for men especially are coming back. Basically, they're really good layering pieces under and even above, like on a, also like wearing a tank top or a vest, on top of that wearing a nice linen or a cotton t-shirt can look really good on beaches, and especially for the summer season. Moving on to the crochet fabrics. Now crochet fabrics are something again you've seen in the past, but now the multicolored crochets are coming back. I recently saw a runway lookbook, and I'm forgetting the name, but I'll again attach photos of all these things on the screen. And the really bold colors are coming back, like greens and maroons and reds. However, I like the beige crochets, and they look best in quad sets and shirts. I think on a beach, even in shorts, I mean not crochet shorts, and on quad sets you can have shirt and shorts. I feel that on beach wear a proper crochet quad set and beige, especially in beige, it does elevate your style. With the next up is a full denim look or a denim on denim look. Now, it might be controversial. A couple of years ago, you might say that it's a fashion faux pas, but now actually, it's considered cool, like wearing a denim with a denim shirt or the denim jacket on top. I think ripped, cropped, all these things, especially by gender fluidity, these all are really going to be coming back in full swing. The second last trend which I've seen in these articles are this work of fashion is back. Now, what is work of fashion? Is basically outfits that were worn in the French Revolution by the worker class, like the checkered shirts, brown pants, boots, cowboy hats. They are definitely coming back, and they're like worker jackets also, which are really good. I'll attach some images of that also from brands. However, I feel that if you're in a place in a tropical climate, it doesn't suit you for summers. You could do it for fall or spring per se, but yeah, if you live in a British environment like I live in Britain, and here it really like rains or like the weather changes in a second. I can literally see rain droplets on the window as I speak. It was sunny like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, the weather currently like changes quite quickly, and worker fashion, especially worker jackets are really good. That heavily collared, fleeced or not fleeced, normal, in a semi leather or a polyester material really looks good. Again, you have choices of making it going it plain or going embroidered or going patched work. So yeah, those are really good. Now the last trend is a trend which is going on since a really long time, and it's here to stay. And I really feel, especially me, the trend I resonate most with is to quiet luxury. Now, quiet luxury is basically that old money aesthetic and that old money vibes, and it's because you see these rise in the TV shows such as Suits, Dynasty, Succession. If you haven't seen those shows, you must watch them. They're really nice, and the audiences are really keen on what the 1% of the 1% are wearing. Basically, what the ultra rich people are wearing, and now what they are wearing on, of course, very expensive brands like Brooklyn or Cuculeni, and some brands I can't pronounce, even though I'm going to pronounce this one. But yeah, you can participate in this trend on a budget also. Like I've seen Zara is a good example of quiet luxury. They have pieces of quiet luxury. I do have seen that. Uniqlo again has good clothes of quiet luxury. Basically, quiet luxury is a monochrome fit. If you have a monochrome fit anywhere you wear any shades of the same color, classic combinations like black and white, blue and white, beige, browns. So yeah, that was the summer trends by Vogue and GQ. Now let's talk about what fashion is to me, especially the summer fashion. So summer fashion to me is definitely the vintage style, such as light colors. I'm really gravitated to light colors. If you have seen my previous vlog where I was setting summer wardrobe, you would have seen baby pinks, turquoise, whites, and also the darker colors such as navy blue is an identity. Navy blue is an evergreen color. You can wear it in any season. Second, again, polo t-shirts. I have talked about polo t-shirts. They're a summer staple. Now the brands which I purchase my polos are from BHPC and USPA. Those are two polo clubs which sell clothes, and there's Polo Rad Florin also, but that comes into the luxury category of clothing. But other brands you can definitely check: COS, Zara, Uniqlo. They will have definitely some pieces. Zara has, and I have seen, but I've never bought from Zara. Uniqlo, I have a polo from Uniqlo, and COS, I've never shopped from COS. Second last is Lenin. It's a material again. It's quite lightweight, breathable, And especially for the harsh summers, like if you're in India and if you're in a tropical country, you know how harsh the summer gets. And yeah, I think wearing linen is really good. India, I think Linen Color Plus was a brand or is a brand, I'm not sure. And again, Uniqlo has a life wear range which has good amount of linen wear and linen basics. And the last and the final thing that I think gets to me is wearing shorts and crochet. Shorts is definitely a trend which I really like. I'm wearing shorts and I think since forever, and I feel shorts with shirts are really elegant, especially on beaches or like beach vacations. There's a kind of a certain vibe with like shorts and crochet. I think I've obsessed over crochet and shorts in this video a lot. You definitely know that that's kind of my style. Lastly, I'll end this video on a very introspection kind of a question, that should you be trying these trends? I do agree with some and I don't agree with some. So I do feel that you should still stick to your style. However, you can have one or two pieces, like one or two bold pieces from these trends, and I can try whether it suit with me or no. Best thing is go to a shop, any budget shop, try it on a budget and go to the fitting room and see how it looks on you, and then you make a call. That's the best way to make a call on. But if you ask me personally, if you want to try some trends from here, I think shorts and denims are the trends that you can try any day, anytime. I think any season. Not shorts, not any season, but yeah. So thank you for staying till the end of this video. If you've liked this video till here, hit the like button, share it with the person you feel will benefit from this video, and perhaps like loves talking about fluffs, talking or listening about fashion. Comment on your favorite part of this video and finally subscribe to this video if you're on this channel. I upload videos every Thursday. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.